for accepting me, and for Direct Candy and for Star Cinema for considering me to do this film. And
Not considering choosing you.
choosing. Maraming salamat. And syempre kay Kat. Ang dami rin pinagdaanan bago matanggap yung proyekto. It's not easy for her. It was never easy for her. Thank you so much for the trust, for letting me be your partner, your buddy in this film.